Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy but very pretty bracelet. For making these models, I used the lace yarn and a hook with a size of 0.85 mm. For the tutorial, I'm using a super fine yarn and a bigger hook with a size of 1.5 mm. This is Manori's channel and welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. I'm starting off with 12 chains. And in the first chain, I'm making one slip stitch. And then I'm making 3 chains, and now I'm making 24 double crochet stitches all around this ring. And one slip stitch to finish this loop. And this is how I'm hiding the extra yarn in the weaves. Now for the next loop, I'm making 12 chains. Now I'm passing this string through the loop and making a slip stitch in the first chain. I'm making 3 chains and 24 double crochet stitches all around this ring. And at the end, one slip stitch. We continue making these loops and we're gonna have a bracelet or a necklace or even a glasses chain. I'm wishing you a great day, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe.